Hello, grade 3. This is Miss Susan. How are you doing? Today's episode is about measuring time interval. Time interval means the difference between two times. Like here, for example, the time interval is 15 minutes, and here is 25 minutes. So, again, today's topic is measuring time intervals. Lesson 10-3. Let's start by the definition. Time intervals, or elapsed time, is to find the amount of time that passes from the start of an activity to the end of the activity. So I need to measure between the starting time and the ending time. Okay, let's start. We can measure time interval by reading the analog and reading how many minutes are the difference between the starting time and the ending time. Like here, for example, it could be 5 minutes, or 10 minutes, or 15 minutes, or 20, or 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and 60 minutes. Or we can use to measure the difference between two times the number line. As you know, the difference between 1 hour to the other hour is 60 minutes. So the difference between 12 o'clock and 1 o'clock is 60 minutes. And after 60 minutes, the time will be 2 o'clock. After 60 minutes, it will be 3 o'clock. After 60 minutes, it will be 4 o'clock. After another 60 minutes, it will be 5 o'clock, and so on. Or we can easily subtract between the two different times and to get the difference between both by counting how many minutes passed. Okay, for example, start time was 4:10 p.m. and end time was 4:53 p.m. So we can use two different ways, as I said, or maybe three. The first way is to use the analog. So first, what the starting point? The starting point was at 4:10. So that's it. 4 and 10. 10 means 2 times 5. So at number 2, because every one number means 5 minutes. So I put the starting point. Then the ending point was at 4:53. So still the hours hand on 4 and the minutes hand should be at 53. 53, let's say 50. 50 means 5 times 10. So we go to till 10. And then after 10, that's it, 50. After that we count 51, 52, 53. So the ending point is here. Then we count or calculate how many minutes passed. So I said every skip or every number means 5 minutes passed. So I will skip counting by 5. This is 5, 10, then 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 40 until 10, right? Then we count by 1. So it will be 41, 42, 43. So it is 43 minutes. Let's use subtraction. We put the ending point or the ending time, which is 4:53. Starting time is 4:10. Then we minus minutes. So we start from the right to the left. 3 minus 0 will be 3, and 5 minus 1 will be 4. So it is 43 again. So the elapsed time or the interval here will be 43 minutes. Let's go to another example. Okay, find the elapsed time in minutes two ways. Okay, so here he is use number line, and here and subtraction. So the starting time was at 10:05 and ends at 10:30. Okay, so this number line representing the minutes between 10 and 11, and there are 60 minutes between them. So I will skip counting by 5. that's 5, 10, 5, then 10, 10, then 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and 60 is the whole hour, means it becomes 11. After 10:55, it's 11. Now put the starting point. The starting point at 10:05, the ending point at 10:30, so that's it, 30 here. Now we count how many 5 or how many minutes between them. So I will keep counting by 5. That's it. 5, then 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes. Let's do it another way by subtracting. The ending time is 10:30. The starting time is 10:05. Now we minus from the right to the left. 0 minus 5. Can I take from 0 5? Don't tell me it's don't make it opposite. Don't switch it. It's 0 minus 5. So 0 is less than 5. So I need to borrow from 3. It becomes 2. Then 0 will become 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. And 2 minus 0 is 2. So it's 25. The same answer like here. So the difference between, or the interval, or the elapsed time between 10:05 a.m. and 10:30 a.m. is 25 minutes. And that's it. I hope that you understood this lesson. See you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Don't forget to do the homework. Bye bye.